Hello, hello. Welcome to the introduction to EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. I know it's a very popular thing. You might have heard of it. I have been tapping since 1999. Hello, my name is Sara Alavi. I am your holistic healing concierge, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about it before you start practicing with me. So first of all, the points that you will be tapping on, I will show you before we start a video. But I want you to know that EFT is very powerful and is highly researched, and it started back in 1984 by a Dr. Callahan. He was a brilliant psychiatrist, I believe, or psychologist, and he combined it with acupuncture. Acupuncture is a practice from China that they use hairline needles to puncture the body. It kind of hurts, but not really. It's kind of like a little tiny sting. They leave the needles in there for like 20-30 minutes, and they come back and pull them out, and you just like feel so much better, and your body's energy system starts to work together harmoniously so that your body can heal itself. You get that? So it's not the needles that heal you, it's the needles that will help your energy body to harmonize and to balance and integrate within you, so that your dormant healing energy can ignite and reset and start to flow through the body to heal the body, mind, and emotions. The same way that holistic healing works, to really balance you so that your body can heal itself. So with that, the points of the body that we will be tapping on start with the ankles. So just do it with me so your mind will remember inside and outside of the knees. Inside of the knees and all around the knees. That's what I meant to say. Top of the head. Now remember, if you've had brain injuries, don't tap on top of the head. Don't even touch the head, okay? Between the eyebrows, outer corners. When you tap around the face, just watch me and keep tapping. When you tap around the face, do it really, really gently, okay? Under the arms, 4 inches under the armpit. Tap on the wrist. You can tap firmer. If you are sensitive to touch, you can simply hold your wrist, squeeze, and release 3 times instead, okay? And then you fold your knuckles, tap inside of the thumbnail beds together, keep the knuckles folded, use your thumbs on top of the fingers, right inside of the nail beds. You tap on top of the nail beds, okay? And that's it. And then you go to karate chop, okay? The pinky side of your hands. And then you start again. There's 3 ways you can tap. You can rub gently around those points that I was just showing you. Because some of us don't like the tapping, and it's maybe rushed or whatever. You know, you may prefer to do it this way. You don't have to squeeze and massage. It's just a rubbing, gentle rub, and then touching and breathing. And in most of my videos, I'll have affirmations that we'll say, because we will be focused on, certain issues that we want to heal, like anxiety or insomnia. So you just rub, you rub and you breathe. And you don't have to stress when you're doing the fingers. You can just, rest your hands on your thighs and gently rub, and you breathe. You do it your way, okay? And or just massage, like really massage, okay, those points. So with that, I'm gonna let you know that also tapping just a couple of minutes a day, not like 45 minutes one day and forget about it 3 days and then start. Don't do it so sporadically. Couple of minutes a day is the key, okay, to reprogram the brain pathways, so that if you find yourself to be a nervous person, tapping a few minutes every day will help you release that pattern in the brain, because all of it is in the brain. So when the brain is balanced, then you will not be a nervous person. You'll be a peaceful person. So think about tapping every day a little bit. Before you go to bed, gently, definitely do gentle version after 7 p.m. so that you calm, you relax. Use your tapping for meditation, at work, anywhere in your daily lives. With that, I'll sign off. Thank you, and I will see you in the tapping session. Hello everybody, welcome to this tapping video. We're going to tap away all the excuses why we cannot meditate. We're going to get ourselves ready to become avid meditators so that we can help ourselves stay calm and peaceful in the world now and forever, so that we're open and we look forward to tapping and meditating every day. All right, so here we go. With that, let's go ahead and put our feet in front of us. You could be sitting in a chair, or you could be sitting on your couch or your bed. Slap tap around one of your knees and say, even though, other knee, I believe that I cannot meditate because I cannot quiet my mind, I want to do the best that I can to deeply and completely accept myself. I am a good person, and they say meditation is really important so that I'll be happy and peaceful and mindful, and so that I won't say things that I will regret. I want to empower myself through my choices, through my daily choices. I want to learn to meditate, and I want to meditate even if it's challenging for me, because I am sick and tired of being sick and tired. I'm ready to learn to control my mind. I'm ready to forget and let go of all my excuses. I have exhausted my excuses, and I am ready to heal. I want to meditate, and I want to help myself. I want to help myself heal, and I mean business. I am determined. I am committed. I am on my way, and I am so willing to do whatever it takes so that I will be meditating at least 10 minutes a day. I want to commit to 10 minutes a day, even if I cannot quiet my mind, even if I cannot concentrate, even if I am agitated and antsy, even if I am wiggly and fidgeting, I still want to learn to relax and be quiet, and so that I can control my mind. My mind gets me in trouble a lot. I have a bunch of negative thoughts, destructive thoughts, disappointing thoughts, disempowering thoughts. I have a lot of self-sabotaging thoughts. And sometimes I even feel like I'm going crazy. Sometimes I have a hard time going to sleep because my mind is so busy. Well, I am sick of it, and I am ready to change it. And I am starting now. I am willing to do what Sara says and to meditate 10 minutes a day. I'll even do her 5-minute videos. I'll even do a 5-minute meditation every day. Maybe I'll start 5 minutes and build up to 10. And after that, who knows? Maybe I'll meditate for 30 minutes. But until then, 5 minutes is a great commitment. And I am willing to do the 5 minutes a day. Sara will hold my hand through this. I know I can do it, because I know meditation can restruct and reprogram my brain pathways, because I know I procrastinate and I sabotage. And I know that it's all from the past. I know that, a long time ago, things happened and I just didn't want to show up for myself. I never got into a habit of showing up for myself. And I want to change that. I want to change all those negative brain patterns that are holding me back. So I'm starting today. 5 minutes a day, I will meditate. I will use my tapping to get me ready for meditation. I can meditate easily by listening to Sara's voice in one of these 5-minute guided meditations. I'm willing to do it. I'm starting right now. I will do it. I commit for at least a couple of months, maybe 90 days, maybe 30 days, maybe 1 week. Whatever I commit to myself, I let her know through the comments, and I know she'll support me. I know she'll encourage me and be my cheerleader. I really will, guys. So as you tap, take a deep breath and say, her tapping is kind of different than everybody else. I've seen other people on YouTube that they just tap only just their head and faces, but this will help. This is helping me feel tingly, and I feel calmer, and I feel more relaxed, and something is different than when I first started to tap with her today. So I am committing to my meditation. I'm committing to my healing, because I want to take charge and I want to be there for myself. Tired of these panic attacks, tired of procrastinating, tired of my crazy monkey mind. I'm tired of excuses. I'm starting today. I know I can do it, Yes, I know I can do it, even though there's a part of me that's really doubtful and I'm a little anxious because I'm wondering if I'll keep my word, but it's all okay. I'm gonna just go right through all of that and I'm gonna show up. I'll find a spot in my house, my apartment, to daily get on there and to show up and to meditate and to tap and to do the things that Sara teaches me. I can do that for me. I can do that for myself, all right. I commit and I am starting today and I can let go of all the stress and I can support myself. I can learn to become my own best friend. I can learn to be gentler. I can learn to say to myself some more truthful affirmations and thoughts, because the truth is I am a good person and I'm doing the best I can, and I do deserve to relax and heal. And even if I'm suffering from all kinds of addictions, maybe buying too much from Amazon, maybe overeating, maybe drinking, maybe gambling, maybe smoking, maybe doing psychedelics, whatever, that is not me. My addiction and my excuses are a whole different energy on their own, and I will dismantle those brain pathways as I tap and meditate. I can do it. Yes, I know I can do it. I'm not the anxiety. I'm not my problems. I'm not my issues. I'm not my excuses. I'm not those negative thoughts. I'm not what has happened to me. I am more than all of that and then some. So today is the beginning of the rest of my life. Take a deep breath. And I am starting fresh, and I am so proud of myself for starting fresh today. I want to learn to love and accept myself more and more each day, eventually one day, unconditionally. Yes, I know I can do it. Yes, yes, yes. I know I can do it. Yes, I know I can do it. No more excuses. I refuse to be a victim anymore. I refuse to be a victim of my own negative programming. I'm starting fresh. I'm excited. I feel confident. I feel confident and competent. And I feel determined. I am committed. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I know I can do it. I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm ready to get my mojo back. I want to be so energized and peaceful at the same time. I am ready. Stretch those arms above the head. Inhale, stretch up. Now put your hands over your heart center. Close your eyes. Apply some pressure into your heart. And breathe into the heart. And releasing. Another deep breath into the heart. And releasing. A deep breath into the heart. And releasing. Swallow, relax your face, apply pressure into your heart. Inhale into the heart. And releasing. Another deep breath into the heart. And releasing. Watching thoughts come and go. Just one more deep breath. Inhale into the heart. And releasing. One more deep breath into the heart. And releasing. As you breathe into the heart, applying pressure into the heart, drop your chin down a little bit. Swallow a few times. And now begin to use your imagination to see a beautiful ball of light, maybe a 20-inch diameter, gorgeous ball of light like the moonlight, silver light. It's above your head and it's kind of a liquidy, translucent, shiny silver light that just flows when you want it to flow, and it's flowing right through the top of your head like liquid light, and you can feel the soothing, peaceful energy of it. It's the energy of peace and healing. As you bring it into your head, you feel your whole head glow up, your eyes twinkle. As you're breathing deeper and deeper, You flow that light in through your neck, your throat, your spine, your whole body, your arms, your hands, your lungs, and your heart, fully saturating every organ, every cell, every bone, every neuron in your brain, every muscle, every gland in your body, all the way to your toes, your feet. Your body is glowing with light, and you feel so relaxed. And now expand this silver light around your whole body, like 100-inch diameter around your body. Tuck it under your toes. This will be your protection, your safety, your boundaries. Take a deep breath in with me. Hold the breath, and as you exhale, put your hands to your heart center. Gently bow to yourself. Thank yourself for taking some time to tap and meditate. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. In yoga, we say namaste. That means I salute the divinity within myself and everyone and everything. Namaste, lovely friends. Thank you for joining me. Gently open your eyes and know that you just did tapping and longer than 5 minutes of meditation. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you for more meditation, tapping, hypnosis, yoga therapy, yoga nidra, all kinds of videos. Heal so that you can thrive. Mwah. Love you. I will see you soon. Let me know in your comments how this goes. Use your essential oils. It's imperative. It's going to help you so much more intensely. And I am so proud of you. I believe in you. Thank you. See you then.